This is my first IoT project. The idea of this project is to read moisture content of the soil. For this purpose I am using an ESP32 kit and a moisture sensor. Okay, I will show the demo. Let me turn on the kit. Okay, so when I put this sensor in dry soil, it should turn on red LED. For every 5 seconds it reads moisture content of the soil, and depending upon the value it turns on the respective LEDs. Right now the red LED is growing, it means the soil is dry. Let me change. Now I am having wet soil also. When I put sensor in wet soil, it should turn on blue LED. Let us wait for a while. Yes, blue LED is glowing and all information is uploaded to server also. So this is my MySQL database. Here I am having a humidity table. See here. So the column HUM, which stands for humidity, shows data read from the sensor. So this is my first IoT project I have done successfully. Thank you very much for watching this video.